us again.
Yep.
Well, what we have for you today, or tonight, yeah, tonight.
Well, this morning.
This morning. Because it's really late.
And you. Okay, don't want Mother to see that.
You're older.
I don't care.
Jeez.
Mother's older than me.
Do it.
You do it.
You do it.
You're the youngest. I'm the boss.
No, you.
You. Don't want Mother to see that.
August. Do it.
August?
I mean,
Autumn.
Autumn. Yeah.
Autumn.
Come here. August.
Okay. Wait,
She's
August.
bug-eyed.
Yeah. You wanna say?
We love her though.
Yeah.
But she's our adopted parents.
Dog.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're kind of cool. Awesome and cool.
Yeah.
You first.
You first. You. I control the little things. So you talk more because you're older.
If I'm older, I can boss you.
No.
Yes. Because if
Okay.
we were with Mother, I bet you if she left us alone, I bet you I'd be in charge.
Yeah, I know. But Mother, we love you, and we got something to show you. We love you. Oh, and we're sewing. Wow. I just love doing that.
I know.
So don't be surprised if I just go BAM! Oh,
And don't be surprised if we fight.
yeah, because
We are sisters. We gotta fight.
Yeah. And we're presents to the world.
Yeah. By our mother.
Not duh.
Yeah. Duh.
Doof. Oh, I love this one.
I know.
We're wishing to the world. No. Okay. That's enough of that.
Yeah.
So, what do you want to say? She wants to say hello to America.
She loves you all. She's very young. She's very young.
Just kidding.
No. Not
she's-
even old enough to walk.
Oh, and don't go away because we have something for you. Just kidding.
Yeah.
We just wanted to do that.
We love doing that.
Yeah. Now we have to sleep.
Yeah. Yeah.
Then if you don't watch our show, we will punch you in the face.
Okay.
Boom. Almost.
Oh, come on.
Yeah. Okay. We have to watch our minutes
Yeah.
because
Our last
YouTube
video was long.
12 minutes and like 4 seconds. And
YouTube
YouTube
doesn't allow that.
yeah, so
It only allows like 10 minute videos.
yeah.
So we'll have to watch for it.
Yeah. And Mom, we will send flowers if we have the money.
If we do. If we don't, because we're poor. Because we live in a poor family.
Yeah.
We could live in a rich family if you were here with us.
Yeah.
Or if we were living with you. Which we still wish we were.
Yeah.
We love you so much.
Get off of me.
You get off of me first.
Just kidding.
We would never do that to each other.
No.
But we would do that together.
Oh, good. Oh, no. Oh, yeah. This one is... Okay.
Calm and cool, just like we are.
Yeah.
Sometimes we can be hyper.
Yeah,
That's
we
only
have like
because-
chocolate chip. Where's the chocolate chips?
Okay.
We love chocolate.
We love chocolate. We love eating,
Yeah.
just like our mother does.
Yeah.
Yay! That's one
Eat
common
the
bond.
chocolate chips.
That's one common bond we have in between each other and our mother.
Yeah. We love chocolate.
And eating.
And eating. Mm. Mm. Okay. I have enough of eating for this show because we have to watch it.
Our minute is almost time to quit.
Yeah. So, what's up, world?
Uh-huh.
And we love you. Don't we?
Yes, we do.
You are our present. We love you too.
And we're your present.
Yeah. Just presents.
Jeez.
Don't fight.
We're just presents. Don't fight. Just kidding.
JK, love y'all. We have to go get it.
Yep.
So, okay, just subscribe us. Whatever.
View us.
View us.
Subscribe.
Yes.
And comment.
And comment a lot. We love your comments.
Yes, we do. We feed off of them.
We feed.
We're like celebrities. We feed off of the fans.
Yeah.
Well, our mom is a celebrity, so that kind of runs in the family.
Yeah.
Yay.
Yay. Oh,
Yep.
I got one more for you. Yeah, I did it twice. Now.
Mhm.
Still liking my highlights, see? Okay.
I have green highlights.
She has green, I have blue and purple. What now?
So what now? We're Barker Jacks.
What now? JK. But we love the colors.
Yes, we do.
Like our mom.
Oh yeah, she has a very fantastic wardrobe,
Yeah.
as we can see in our pictures.
Yeah.
Woo! One fantastic wardrobe. Only we can't wear that.
Yeah. Because we're young.
We're young.
Oh, not to, like, make you feel old, Mom.
I was gonna say, not to make you feel old.
Yeah, because you're really
'Cause you're-
not.
You're really not. You're not even that over 50. But you're still young. You look like you're 25.
Why did you mention
Because everybody, because everybody knows her age.
Oh, we gotta go.
We gotta go. Bye. Subscribe, comment, and view.
Yes, bye.
Bye.
Love you.
Love you. Love you, Mom.
Love you, Mom.